So hey guys, Aalon here, welcome back to the video. So Apple has just released 22 new limited edition Apple Watch bands in the international colors in honor of the Olympics, and there are 22 of the bands and new 22 watch faces. So let's get started. You don't have to get the Apple Watch bands in order to get the new faces, and there are a lot of people who don't know how to install these watch faces. So that's why I'm making this video, and I'll show you how to install them. Before getting started, first we'll talk about the new 22 watch band, which is inspired by the design throughout the globe, and there are 22 of them. It's super awesome. So let's take a look. So I'm gonna read. It is Australia, Belgium, Brazil, Canada, China, Denmark, France, Germany, Great Britain, Greece, Italy, Jamaica, Japan, Mexico, and the Netherlands, New Zealand, Russia, South Africa, South Korea, Spain, Sweden, and the US. And by the way, they are limited edition, so it might not be there in the next month or something. The bands might not be available, and the watch faces also might not be available. So go and download right now from the description link below. Go, not now, after this video, okay? So in order to download the watch faces, you have to go to the Apple Watch site, not the Apple band site where you see and you buy the Apple Watch, but the Apple site. Let me show you. If you go on the site where you buy the Apple Watch, and if you tap to download, you will not able to download. So as you can see here, I'm not able to download. So just go to the Apple Watch site. So when you go to the Apple Watch site, just scroll down and there you'll find see all countries. So just select the band you want and just tap on download. You'll see download watch face to your Apple Watch. You're going to press allow and you're done. And then it will automatically get installed on your Apple Watch just by tapping install. So that easy it is, okay? So if you're new around here, do subscribe. I'm serious, do subscribe. Yeah, so see you guys in the next one. Peace. And by the way, click the right hand side video if you want to know how to automatically change your Apple Watch faces, or click the left video to know how to unlock your iPhone while wearing a mask using your Apple Watch. Bye.